What's up, everybody? It's your boy M to the O to the J to the O, aka Sugar Daddy, with the sickest flow you know, and welcome to a brand new episode of Sugar Care Academy. And today I will teach you how to assemble our new sleeker sugar safe. Boom! So let me tell you, our new sugar safe is just not storage. It's a full-on display experience. पहले सारे parts को understand कर लेते हैं so that while assembly there is no confusion. Our safe comes with 6 panels. One of the panel is under this. So these are total 6 panels. We have added identification numbers on each panel so that it is easy for you to identify. Number 1, these 2 side panels. They are identical and comparatively they are smaller in size, which makes it easy to recognize. Number 2, this is the back panel. It is similar in size with the front panel, but it is easy to recognize क्योंकि back panel में door नहीं है. Number 3 is the bottom panel. Number 4 is the top panel. It's very easy to see what's the difference between them. The top panel will have these grooves for the door. और ये door के लिए सिर्फ top में है, bottom में नहीं है. And last but not the least, number 5, our door panel, the most easiest one to recognize. First step, let's attach these 2 side panels to the back panel. Pay attention to the groove. The wider groove will attach to the back panel. The next step, let's place the bottom panel. And let me show you, this will represent that this end has to be at the front. And this wider groove will go at the back. Make sure you don't press it all at once. We're gonna go side, side, side. The bottom panel is all set. Okay, now it's time for our top panel, and similarly, the wider groove will go at the back side and the thinner groove will stay at the front, and we will just pop it. और finally, अब हम door panel को attach करेंगे. The grooves on the magnetic panels will act as your guide. Okay, we will press from the top first and then we will press it from the bottom. Also, make sure all the edges are pressed firmly. There you go, guys. Voila! The new sleek sugar safe, the sneaker crate, is all assembled. The new sugar safe comes in 2 colors now. We got black and we got transparent. Here you go, guys. You can see these are stackable safe. All you have to do is place them such that the bottom panel of one safe is placed on the top panel of another. Okay, now go on and order new sugar safe. It comes in the pack of 1, 2, 5, 10 and even 50. The new design is sleeker, smart and even sturdier. For any questions, feel free to drop your comment and we'll be happy to help you. और अगर ये video helpful रही तो hit the subscribe button, drop your comments. Until then, do not forget to love your shoe. It's your boy Mojo signing out. Let's go!